Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. This is all the garbage that was thrown onto my property from the county creek. But I guarantee that this was deliberate and it was intentional. I'll show you why. I've never had stuff on my property thrown here before, but my property was in actually mint condition because I did a lot of work on it last week in preparation to get it videotaped and photographed. This is witchcraft, these winding branches. But look at this. Look at these water bottles equidistant apart. And by the way, this is Judge Gabbard's slop mess. After 9 months it had broken off, but this is what it looks like now. Let me show you. Wait till you see this. Remember that like evil eye opening that was here? This is the way it looks now. You see all that rock? That's my rock. That's the rock that was pushed off of my creek wall due to the shovel, this shoveling water against the creek wall, causing my rock to collapse and fall down in here. You can see here, right here. So this is the way it looks. This is the damage to the county creek. This is done by the county. And all of my rock that was up there is now down, collapsed, because this shovel, this concrete shovel, pushed all the water onto my property to cause it to collapse. And this is something that's done by the military. Engineers do this. This is not regular common folk that do this. This is carefully orchestrated. And somebody asked me, oh, well, what about your neighbors? Is your neighbors flooded? And look, see all the surrounding rock here? How am I supposed to sell my property now with this slop mess, right? So people want to know, well, is it only your property that's flooded? I suddenly have a low battery, so I'm not going to show you. I can't show you now because I've got a low battery. But what I can show you is what this creek looks like now. And I just want to snap some photos before I lose power.